First, go to your App Store, tap on the search and search Alexa. Make sure to select Amazon Alexa. Tap on install to install it. Once the installation is completed, tap on open. Enter your Amazon account's email ID and password, and then tap on sign in. Alexa app might ask you what's your name. Select it. You could skip these parts or simply complete the setup. In the bottom right corner, tap on More, select Skills and Games. Tap on the search field and enter Spotify. From the results, select Spotify. Tap on Enable to use. Because I have already had set up my Spotify on my iPhone, it didn't ask me to log in again. In your case, you might have to enter your email ID and password of your Spotify to verify your account. To be able to play Spotify on Alexa, you would need to allow Alexa to view some of your Spotify information. If you're happy, scroll down and tap on agree. As easy as that, your Spotify account has been successfully linked. Tap on close. Now you would be able to play music and podcast on your Echo Dot from Spotify. However, you would still need to say, Alexa, play podcast on Spotify.
Playing Making Sense with Sam Harris from Spotify.
If you just want to say play podcast without mentioning Spotify, then you need to set up your Spotify as your default service. So tap on visit music settings. Now here, for example, if you want to change your default podcasts, then simply tap on change and select Spotify. You could do the same thing for music and artists and genre stations. And now you can tap back and close your Alexa app. And now you could also go to your Spotify app on your phone, play anything you want. And then if you would tap on here, you could see all your speakers. And if you would select your Echo Dot, then you could use your Echo Dot as a speaker for your Spotify.